Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about TikTok app. And in today's video, I will show you how to make a private TikTok post to the public without any stress. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your TikTok app. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. Then go ahead and select the private video from the icon right here. Then select the post you want to make public. So I'm going to use this post right here. Go ahead and click on these three dots. Then slide this way. Continue to slide this way. Slide this way. Go ahead and click on privacy setting. Then go ahead and switch to everyone. It's that simple. Then go back right here. By the time you go back to your private right here, you can see the video or post is no longer found right here. It's that simple. By the time you go to your profile, it's that simple. By the time you go to your profile, you find the video in your profile. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.